What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris Sane, and today's video is about JUMIA technologies, as well as some updates about other things that's going on in the stock market. Guys, listen, I got a great update for us today. So without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, as you can see, on the road to 100K, my portfolio is currently sitting at $65,785.60. On the day, we're pretty flat. Okay, let's check out how our week went. On the week, we were up a little over 0.5%. Okay, on the month, we are up almost 5%. Listen, guys, if you haven't joined already, please like and subscribe to the channel and join me on the road to 100K. I come on here each and every day to show you guys how to properly build a portfolio as transparent as they come. I show you guys all my plays. I show you guys my portfolio, and we also take part in option plays. Okay, so if you like that kind of stuff, please make sure you like and subscribe so you can make money with us every day. Without further ado, guys, let's talk about JUMIA. Okay, guys, ticker symbol JMIA, otherwise known as JUMIA Technologies. You may know this as the Amazon of Africa. Okay, now listen, guys, I want to give you guys some guidance on this as it currently sits at $18.16. It's been on a tear. If you've been following me, this has been a stock that we were in long time ago, back when it was in the single digits. Okay, we doubled our money in this. It was a get in and get out type of play. The reason why I'm doing an update on it today, because as you can see, the first time we hit a home run. We bought it at $5 and it went up to over $15. Okay, now guys, when it hit 15 the first time, I always tell you guys, you new and beginning investor, you have to watch and study a stock, especially new stocks and speculative stocks. When it hit 15 the first time, all the investors took profits. The people that was planning as a pump and dump did that exact thing, and then it fell back down, okay, to $7. Okay, but I'm telling you guys, this is a company that you should have on your watch list. I always give you guidance on what to do. I told you a while ago and just recently in one of my videos to put this on your watch list, not for you to invest in now unless you're playing it as a swing trade. Okay, listen, long term, I told you 2 to 3 years from now, this will be the top dog in the game, one of them at least. However, right now they're not there yet. As you can see, they're up to 18 again. The 52-week high on this one is $23. And so guys, again, the run up has already been had, so I wouldn't be recommending you get into it now. However, I want you guys to see how a good stock with potential trades. Okay, it's important that you guys are studying the trend and how a stock is moving. This went from 2 to 15, from 15 back to 7, and now from 7 to over 18. Okay, that's a lot of volatility, but if you guys are knowing what you're doing, if you guys are being patient, you can make a lot of money with plays like this short term. I'm a long-term investor. I'm a buy and hold investor. This would be a short-term play. And so listen, I'm not saying go buy this. I'm saying keep it on your watch list, and you should be at awe with these type of moves that you see this stock that we know, that I'm telling you has great potential in the future, 1 to 2 years from today. Okay, so I just want to put that on you guys. JUMIA has been crushing it. If you already know, we hit home runs with this one already. We won't play this at this particular price because it's already ran up a lot. However, if it dips again, we now know it can go back to 18 in between that $23 range. Okay, so I just want to put that on you guys. Keep this on your watch list. Up next, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is averaging down. Okay, guys, I'm going to do a live example for you on this one, and I want to talk to you specifically about averaging down and stuff to look for, especially if you are a new and beginning investor. Please let me know if you appreciate this kind of detailed work and this level of transparency, again, because I'm not sure who you guys follow, but I want you guys to ask yourself the question: do who you follow ever show you their real moves in their portfolio? Just ask yourself that. But anyway, guys, today I'm using LCA. I want to talk to you about averaging down, okay? This is another home run stock, okay? It's currently sitting at $12.23. So you already know I want this at 12 or 11, and I'm extremely happy. Now let's take a look at this. My position, guys, again, do your people you follow even show you their portfolio, guys? That really matters. It's one thing to come on here and talk about Workhorse or any particular stock, but people never show you what their positions actually look like, guys. That matters if you're going to be taking guidance from people who's not in it like you're in it, okay? With us, 250 shares, but I want you guys to focus on the average cost. The average cost is the most important number of all these numbers, okay? Always go to your portfolio and look at what your average cost is. That is the number you need to care about. Averaging down is this. If the price right now is $23.23, this is excellence. I already have 250 shares and my average cost is $14.12, and I've been buying into this heavy. So guys, on Monday when the market opens, I hope it's at $12.23 or below. I hope it's really at 11, because when I buy my next 50 shares, it will take me to $13. This is averaging down. Why is this important, guys? You don't want to buy a stock unless you're intentionally averaging up. You don't want to buy a stock when it's going up. You want to get these on the low. I'm telling you, LCA is going to go to $30. That's our first price target, and I'm going to give you guidance for where it will go after that. You guys seen what we did with DraftKings. This will mimic a similar behavior, okay? However, with this particular play, if we can get 300, 500, 1,000 shares built up in the 12s or the 11s, knowing that it's going to go to around $30, $27 to $30 when it pops or when the announcement comes, why not make all that money, guys, okay? And so, guys, this is why you average down. This is why you don't complain about, man, LCA was down today. That ain't what you say. You say, you know what? I got a chance to buy more shares at a lower price. The name of the game is to buy low, okay? And this is your opportunity to do this. Would you rather have a stock at $12.23 or $14, okay? This is what we doing, all right? And so for me, myself, and I want you guys, if you in this with me, and if you plan on hitting another home run, this is what you do. On Monday, I don't care how many shares you got. Whether you got 5 shares, 10 shares, 100 shares, 125 shares or more, if it's below your average cost, you always add a few more shares to bring your cost down towards where the price is currently at, okay? So listen, guys, I don't want to belabor the point. I just wanted to show you a visual of what averaging down is, okay? I want to get this number from $14.12 to $13.99. And then if it's still $12 when I get it to $13.99, then I want to get it to $13.80, okay? And I want to keep buying in the 12s to keep lowering that cost, because you make more money when it runs up to $30. I'll have doubled my money, and I can always live with doubling my money in a short amount of time. Next up, guys, is our question of the day. And our question of the day comes from John Money. He says, hey, Chris, I waited, and once Twitter dipped, I got in at the $50 strike price. I made a 200% return and got out. Didn't want to get greedy. No one ever gone broke for taking profits. Thanks, brother. Hey, John, I just wanted to say, man, much love. Thank you for letting us know and sharing your success. Like I have always said, man, 99% to 97% of you guys have hit home runs with most of the ODPs or the one-day option plays that we have on the channel, especially those of you that kind of know how to navigate the option scene, okay? And so salute to each and every one of you, and if you guys want to continue that, please let me know. I wanted to highlight this because just for as many of you guys that have success with that, I still talk to a handful. It's not that many, but I talk to enough of you that say, Chris, I did exactly what you said and my play didn't turn out like that. Or, you know what I'm saying, or whatever the case may be. And so John pointed out something. Did you hear what he said? He said, I waited for the price to dip, and then I got my strike price. Guys, it's all about, again, being strategic. It's not about hearing my video and then running out and doing it exactly what I said right then and there. You guys got to take the information, because the information is gold. However, you got to say, okay, what is the stock doing at this exact moment when you're about to do it? Is it going up? Is it going crazy? Is it going up and down? Is it plummeting right away? You don't want to, soon as you establish your position in the play, then it shoots right to the ground, okay? That is not what you want to do. You want to catch it When it goes down and on its way back up, consider getting in at the strike price that I already told you that these plays will go to. Okay, so again, this is the nuanced things about trading options that he obviously took advantage of and had a 200% profit. Many of you others hit home runs like he did with the Twitter play as well as many of you hit with the American Airlines play. I could have hit. I held it too long just to see what the stimulus go through, so I was willing to accept a $60 loss, okay, to make 1,000. Okay, so I'm always cool with giving 60 to make 1,000. All right, so again, I'm not tripping. However, I just wanted to highlight this for those of you that need to see how and what is possible. The Twitter play was over a 200% play, depending on if you guys followed the instructions as well as waited when you established your entry into the contract. Okay, but I'm going to keep teaching as long as you guys want to keep learning, and we'll keep again learning together. All right, but again, I won't belabor the point. I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.